Hello children, welcome to my channel Learn with Rehnaz and I am your teacher Rehnaz. So today we are going to do a chapter named Dost Ki Madad. Dost means friend and Madad means help. So helping a friend is the chapter name. So near a river or a lake there was a tortoise and a fox who were very good friends. Okay. So one day when they were talking to each other they saw a leopard coming towards them. And this fox quickly ran away and escaped. But this tortoise was very slow in running and it could not escape. So it was walking very slowly. By that time the leopard caught the tortoise. So it was like it was trying to, this leopard took the tortoise and it went under a tree. It was trying to eat the tortoise, but he could not eat because the tortoise has a big shell, right? It has a very hard shell and it's difficult for anyone to eat the tortoise. So this fox was seeing everything what was happening and he got an idea to save his friend, the tortoise. So what was the idea? What could that idea be? So if you want to know, join with me and I will explain you the chapter and you will know what happened to the tortoise.
Name of the chapter is Dost Ki Madad. Dost means friend and Madad means to help. So helping a friend is the name of the chapter. किसी तालाब में एक कछुआ रहता था. किसी तालाब means in one pond. एक कछुआ. कछुआ means tortoise. So there was one tortoise living in a pond. तालाब के पास मांद में रहने वाली एक लोमड़ी से उसकी दोस्ती हो गई. तालाब के पास means next to the pond. मांद में रहने वाली. मांद is a cave or a den. रहने वाली, the one who lives. एक लोमड़ी is fox से उसकी दोस्ती हो गई. उसकी refers to the tortoise. दोस्ती is friendship. हो गई is happened. So next to the river or the pond, in a cave there was a fox living. So this tortoise became friends with the fox. एक दिन वे तालाब के किनारे गपशप कर रहे थे. So एक दिन, one day, वे refers to the fox and the tortoise. तालाब के किनारे, so in the bank, किनारे is the bank of the river. गपशप कर रहे थे. गपशप means gossip. Okay, so besides in the bank of the pond they were gossiping, both the fox and the tortoise. कि एक तेंदुआ वहां आया. एक तेंदुआ refers to a leopard. Okay, वहां आया means it came there. दोनों अपने अपने घर की ओर जान बचाकर भागे. दोनों, both the fox and the tortoise, अपने अपने घर, towards their house. Okay, की ओर means towards their own house. Okay, each of their house. जान बचाकर भागे, they ran for their life. To save their life, they ran towards their house. लोमड़ी तो सरपट दौड़कर अपनी मांद में पहुंच गई. लोमड़ी, the fox, तो सरपट दौड़कर means it ran very fast and अपनी मांद में पहुंच गई. पहुंच गई means reached. अपनी मांद is its cave. So it ran very fast and reached its cave. But कछुआ अपनी धीमी चाल के कारण. कछुआ is the tortoise. अपनी धीमी चाल. His धीमी चाल is his slow pace. Okay, के कारण, because of that, तालाब तक नहीं पहुंच सका. It could not. तालाब is the pond. तक नहीं पहुंच सका means it did not reach. It could not reach the pond because of its slow pace, because it was walking very slowly. तेंदुआ एक छलांग में उस तक पहुंच गया. तेंदुआ is the leopard. एक छलांग, that means one jump, okay, or one leap. छलांग is the leap. में उस तक पहुंच गया. उस refers to the tortoise. Tak is towards. पहुंच गया is it jumped onto the tortoise on one leap. So this is the tortoise and the fox. कछुए को कहीं छुपने का भी मौका न मिला. So the kachua, the tortoise, को कहीं, that means anywhere, छुपने को, to hide, मौका, chance, ना मिला, it did not get a chance. So the tortoise did not get a chance to even hide anywhere. तेंदुए ने कछुए को मुंह में पकड़ा. तेंदुआ is the leopard, कछुआ is the tortoise, को मुंह में, in its mouth, पकड़ा is caught. और and उसे खाने के लिए एक पेड़ के नीचे चला गया. उसे is the tortoise, खाने के लिए, to eat, खाना is to eat, एक पेड़ के नीचे, पेड़ is a tree, नीचे is below, चला गया, it went. So to eat the tortoise, this leopard caught the tortoise in its mouth and it went under a tree. लेकिन but दांतों और नाखूनों का पूरा जोर लगाने पर भी, दांत means teeth and nakhun is nails, का पूरा जोर means with all its effort, okay, with all its strength, लगाने पर भी, even when it's put all its strength, okay, पर भी कछुए के सख्त खोल पर खरोंच तक नहीं आई. कछुआ is the tortoise, right? के सख्त खोल means सख्त is hard, खोल is the shell, पर खरोंच means scratch, तक नहीं आई, that means there was not even a scratch, even when it tried with all its strength, with its teeth and its nails, it tried to take out the shell, but there was not even a scratch on the shell. Because of it, it could not even put a scratch on the shell of the tortoise. लोमड़ी अपनी मांद से यह देख रही थी. लोमड़ी is the fox, अपनी मांद, like from its cave, यह देख रही थी, she was looking at it. उसने कछुए को बचाने का तरकीब सोचा. उसने is the fox, कछुए को बचाना, बचाना is to save, की तरकीब सोची. तरकीब means an idea. So the fox thought of an idea to save the tortoise. उसने मान से झांककर बाहर देखा और भोलेपन के साथ बोली. उसने, so the fox, मान से झांककर is peep, okay, so it peeped out of the cave. बाहर is outside, देखा और भोलेपन के साथ बोली. भोलेपन means very innocently, के साथ is बोली is she said. So the tendua or the fox, it looked out of the cave and it saw the leopard and it told in a very innocent way, okay. तेंदुए जी, that is leopard जी, okay. कछुए के खोल को तोड़ने का मैं आसान तरीका बताती हूँ. So she said, कछुए के खोल, the shell of the tortoise, को तोड़ने का means to break. मैं आसान तरीका, आसान means easy, तरीका is a way, बताती हूँ is I will tell you. So the fox, it looked out of the cave and she said in a very innocent way to the leopard, okay, I will tell you an easy way of breaking the shell of the tortoise. इसे पानी में फेंक दो. इसे is to the tortoise. पानी is water. फेंक दो is throw it away into the water. थोड़ी देर में पानी से इसका खोल नरम हो जाएगा. थोड़ी देर means within little time, okay, in some time. पानी से with the water, इसका खोल means iska is the tortoise, khol is shell, naram ho jayega, naram means soft, ho jayega means it will become. So the fox told the leopard, like after some time, if you throw it into the water, after some time the shell will become soft. चाहो तो आजमा कर देख लो. चाहो तो, if you want, आजमा कर, try it and see. देख लो means see. If you want, you can just try it and see. तेंदुए ने कहा, the leopard said, ठीक है, okay, अभी देख लेता हूँ. I will look at it now. अभी मीन्स नाउ, देख लेता हूँ मीन्स आई विल ट्राई। यह कहकर उसने कछुए को पानी में फेंक दिया। यह कहकर मीन्स बाय सेइंग दिस, उसने कछुए को पानी में, उसने द लेपर्ड कछुए को, द टॉर्टोइस को पानी में फेंक दिया। फेंक इज टू थ्रो, पानी is water. So by saying that the leopard threw the tortoise into the water. बस फिर क्या था, गया कछुआ पानी में। बस means oh, after that फिर क्या था, what happened next, what had to happen, गया कछुआ पानी में, the tortoise went into the water. So this is a story how the friends, okay, the two friends, tortoise and the fox, they were very good friends. And when the leopard came and it was trying to, both of them ran for their life. But when the tortoise, could not get into the house because it was very slow, so the leopard caught the tortoise, but then it tried a lot and it could not, hurt the even the shell of it. Not it could not even scratch the shell of the tortoise. So when the fox was watching all this, he thought of an idea to save the tortoise. So he told the leopard, throw the tortoise into the water, and within some time the shell will become soft. So this leopard, foolish leopard, what he did, he threw the tortoise into the water, and the tortoise escaped. Leopard could not catch the tortoise again. So this is how the friend, like the saying goes, a friend in need is a friend indeed. So the tortoise saved the, the fox saved the tortoise's life. So this is the story. I hope you all have enjoyed it. If you have any comments, please do leave your feedback in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and do share it with your friends also. So until my next video, take care and thank you.
I hope you liked the video. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification for all the videos I upload. Take care.